Welcome to the CurveMaster video training series. This is the first series in which we will learn to set up, run, and even automate tests using High Level's CurveMaster Curve Tracer. This first series is theoretical training. We'll get familiar with the software and the methodology behind CurveMaster. So let's begin by double-clicking the CurveMaster desktop icon. When you start the software, you will see this screen with the main curve plot area. This is where all the results will appear. The control panel appears to the right, where you can define parameters as well as open other functions. You also have the pin display panel, where you can turn on or off the display of individual pins. There also is the golden pin panel. You can also display two more panels to the right. One is for additional functions, with room to add future developed functions. The other panel is for setting up the power pins. In the main control panel, you will see a number of buttons. Notice that the two most important buttons are highlighted. The first is the Pins button. This is used to define how your DUT board is connected to the CurveMaster. It's where you tell the software which device pin is connected to which system channel. When you have a new device, you can define the pins using this button. Or you can define it in a pinless file, which we'll discuss later. The second button is for continuity test. This is crucial because when you put any device on the DUT board for test, you want to make sure that you have good connection between the CurveMaster and the device. Without good contact, you can't really trust your curve trace results. We also see the Load and Save Setup buttons. These allow you to save the current setup to a file or load a setup from an existing file. You can create a setup file offline in an automated way, and that saves a lot of work and time, especially with high pin count devices. Pin-to-pin connect is used primarily on devices with multiple power pins and can be used to check the connection between those power pins. The Advanced button is used to open a panel with additional functions, and the Maintenance button is used to run diagnostics and calibration. The Save Image button is pretty self-explanatory. This concludes the CurveMaster introduction video.